Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how we can use coffee powder in the three different ways. So let's get started in the video. So first, I'll be taking 2 tablespoons coffee powder, some aloe vera gel, and I'm going to mix them together into a fine paste. Now apply the mask on your face evenly with the help of brush, or you can also use your hands. Let the paste dry on your face, and you can also apply this on your lips. After 10 to 20 minutes, you can wash it. So in the next step, I take some honey, 2 tablespoons Gramflour besan, and 2 tablespoons coffee powder, and I mix them together. Coffee scrubs improve blood circulation, and it also reduces the appearance of cellulite and gives the skin a more even tone look. When a coffee body scrub is applied, the skin absorbs the antioxidant properties to prevent premature aging. Scrub it on your lips as well, as it also removes the darkness of your lips. Now in the third step, I have taken a vitamin E capsule, some curd, and a lemon, and I mix all of them together into a fine paste. Curd and lemon makes the skin glow by improving the complexion as it contains the lactic acid. On the other hand, lemon contains the citric acid and are rich source of vitamin C, which brighten the skin by removing the dead cells. I have applied the leftover on my hands, elbows, as well as on my neck. So yes, that's all for today's video, and I hope you all guys like this video. And please, if you like this video, do subscribe my channel, share and comment in the comment section below. I'll be waiting for your feedback. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.